In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a password on Google Keep in just 5 minutes. Now here's a quick heads up before we dive in. Google Keep doesn't actually have a built-in feature to password protect your individual notes. It can be a bit surprising given how convenient it would be, but not to worry, I've got a workaround that might just fit your needs. Although you can't directly add a password to keep notes, what you can do is hide or archive the notes you want to keep private. This might not be the perfect solution for everyone, but it certainly adds a layer of privacy, keeping your notes from being easily visible. It's a simple trick, but quite effective if used correctly. Let's start by opening your Google browser. Once you're there, look for the familiar Google Apps icon, typically found in the top right corner. Clicking on that will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find Google Keep, so go ahead and click on that. Once Google Keep is open, you're ready to create a new note. It could be anything you're working on or need to jot down for later reference. Once you've finished creating your note, here's where the archiving option comes into play. Look for the archive button, which might not scream privacy at first glance, but it's our secret weapon for today. Once you click on the archive button, your note disappears from the main view almost like magic. This action sends your note to the archive section, which is like a quiet corner of your Google Keep account where notes go to rest. But don't worry, you haven't lost your note. Here's how you find all your archived notes. Simply go to the left side menu and click on Archive. This section is where you will see all your notes that have been archived. And there you have it, your personal notes are now out of the main view, giving them an added layer of discretion. While this method may not secure your notes with a password like other applications, it's definitely a handy way to make them less accessible to prying eyes. This approach works best for those looking to keep their workspace tidy and their notes somewhat out of immediate sight. I understand that this might not be the high security password capability some of you might be looking for, but sometimes simplicity can be surprisingly effective. Having your private notes archived and out of sight gives you that extra measure of privacy without having to resort to complicated software. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to obscure your notes on Google Keep, enhancing their privacy with the archive function. Thank you for watching, and I hope this workaround helps you organize and protect your digital thoughts a little better.